Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your garage remote. First, ensure your garage door opener has a Learn button, usually found near the antenna wire. Also, confirm your remote's battery is working correctly. Locate the Learn button on the main opener unit, as its position can vary by model. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick programming process. Now, let's initiate the connection. Press and immediately release the Learn button on your garage door opener. You'll notice an indicator light on the opener will illuminate, signaling it's ready to receive a signal. This light typically stays on for about 30 seconds, giving you a brief window to complete the next step. With the opener's light on, quickly grab your remote. Press and hold the button you wish to program for your garage door. Continue holding it until the opener's indicator light flashes, then release the button. This flashing confirms that your remote has successfully communicated with the opener and is now programmed. Finally, it's time to test your newly programmed remote. Step away from the opener and press the button you just programmed. The garage door should open or close. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning. If issues persist, try replacing the remote's battery, as a weak battery can sometimes prevent proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.